dancing on the bridge, pussy poppin', tell the coppers, ha ha ha. You can't catch 'em, you can't stop 'em. I know about them goons. You can't beat 'em, then you rock 'em. You can't man 'em, then you mop 'em. You can't stand 'em, then you drop 'em.
What are we doing today, Hayden?
Today, my friend, we are doing a full exhaust kit on a O2 RSX base model. Unfortunately, it's a base model, but you know what? It's going to surprise the masses.
Where's the exhaust at?
Exhaust is over there.
What? Oh. Straight pipe, and then you got the muffler, you got your resonator. Where are the headers? Oh, there are the headers. 2-piece headers?
Singles.
Is that what?
It's a single piece. It's a 2 to 4 to, or it's a 4 to 2 to 1.
Oh, okay, I got it. Took me a minute to figure that out. That's some bullshit. Hey, what's up? Listen to there.
It's not bad for DNA.
DNA shit. Oh, yeah?
You ever heard of DNA?
Me? Yeah.
You have? I've never heard of them.
He's got the Scar audio system in the back, too. Also, don't mind the pink. The pink is all for, what was it for, Hayden?
Breast cancer awareness.
Breast cancer awareness. Respect.
Keep the window banner. Keep dirty as hell.
For the tits, damn right. Also, since I don't have this on my channel yet, this is the shop we normally work in. My buddy Jax. There's a Q over there sitting. Just needs brakes, but you know, it's fun. His little MG. Another MG, another MG, and another MG. How you like that shit? And there's one in the house too. But let's get this video started. This is a man with all the MGs.
Yep.
He's got about 4 of them. Showed him prior, but yeah.
Half of them don't work. This one gives me a hell of a lot of problems, but it's fun. I'd take that. Yo, remember that time we fucking took it on the fucking sidewalk?
Yeah, down in Mexico.
Yep, New Mexico City, Mexico. Ran about 5 people, if not fucking with y'all.
By the way, that's where we're located, is New Mexico, or Mexico, just so everyone knows.
Muy bien.
Yeah, as my plate.
Hola, como estás?
That's all edited out, don't worry about that.
No, that was when we took our trip down to Mexico.
Is there,
What was it, 12?
I was using an 11 on it because it's partially stripped, but 12 would work.
Fuck me. Oh shit.
Old stocky boy. Oil leaky boy. Alright, Hayden, what happened?
We forgot a part.
So, alright, we go to do the exhaust install. Jack gets a smart idea. Let's go ahead and cut it just because we don't need this old exhaust anymore. So I'm doing the install. I was like, alright, you know, fuck it. Yeah. You know, he let him do it. This one let him do it. He owns the car. He let him do it. So I was like, alright, fuck it. So I come over here to where the headers are. I'm like, alright, well, we got the headers. Oh, look, an exhaust too. So this bolt right up. It's a true cat delete. And made me feel retarded. But now we have a chopped off muffler on a RSX that
Sounds pretty good. It's not bad.
is loud.
That's vlog.
It's racy. It's a little racy.
Oh shit, is the car racist?
I said racy, not racist, you fuck.
Jack, what are you doing, bud?
I'm trying to catch the boy on fire.
Bread.
Boy.
Wait, we're trying to make it red hot so we can shove it up the fucking, in the car.
Boy.
Can you
Just saying. No cat delete pipe. So, this is what happened. We still got muffler right here, yeah? Yeah. Luckily, we didn't start unbolting anything up here, so it's not horrible, but you know, it's.
Oof. Look on the bright side. So when he drives down the road, this should scrape on the ground. Look like he's actually a
Looks
lowrider,
like he's
but
actually
he's
static
not.
as fuck.
Yeah.
Fuck you guys.
And then he might catch his car on fire, so it might be good for insurance claims.
No, that is not the case. You think it shoots flames?
No. He's got a cat still.
Meow.
No, it doesn't.
Bullshit.
Bitch,
When you see that-
is held together by fucking.
Jack, want to see a sawzall again?
Yes.
No, Jack. No. Put it down. No.
Okay, no.
You don't want to cut open your cat?
Fuck no.
Get the fucking precious metals
But
out.
yeah, that's what we
Get
done.
the whole $500
We done
some
did.
dollars worth of fucking cat.
We fucked
Let's
up.
spew it out on the ground.
We'll be back again in the garage one day to do this all over again.
Is it coming in Monday?
The rigging we did.
Yeah.
There it is. And wire. Hold it up just for temporary. Hopefully he'll get an exhaust soon. He get the fucking test
So
pipe
you
for
get
that
back
soon.
over here and hang out with me.
Yeah, dude.
Are you going to do anything else with this?
Hopefully.
Probably not.
Should I throw it away?
Fuck it. What have we done?
Big mistake. This type
Oh
of
shit. Hopefully
It's
the
like-
exhaust will be in soon
it's
so we don't
like
have to
right
this too
under-
long. Hold him up. First time ever wrapping headers. Damn right, Jack. Damn right.
I feel proud of myself a little bit.
We're proud of you, Jack. Good
I
job.
appreciate you.
Now tell him about this car.
Charlie, where you at?
Yeah, tell him about this car.
I don't know. I'm letting you tell him because it's your car. And I'm not, it's your
Alright,
build
Charlie.
plans.
Tell us about your car.
It's your build plans, so.
All right, yo. Well, it's the 08 Acura TL. And it's a base model. It's a 3.2 liter VTEC. What I want to do, even though it's my wife's car, is I want to supercharge it. Fuck it.
Supercharged fucking 3.2.
Tosh.
Supercharge it, lower a little bit, full exhaust kit. Maybe some light bars, you know.
Maybe a light bar. Oh no, I
Okay.
feel like light bar like right in here,
That's what I'm saying.
like right there, and
like
then
little
right.
pods.
Yeah, or not even pods, like a little small, like 12-inch light bar.
You could.
Wait, hold
Like-
on. I have a wait because look, it's gonna mess up with the
Sure,
airflow
fine.
going to the radiator. Look,
Oh yeah, he actually got a point there.
Foot airflow.
is it gonna be a stancy boy? Is it gonna be a stancy car?
No, she's gonna be slanty.
Already got
Yeah,
wheels and everything too. We're just doing basic maintenance on this right now. Oh my god, I almost tripped. Basic maintenance. All we're doing is we just see coils, plugs, and oil change. But there she is. Another part of the YouTube channel. You'll probably see more on it. Yeah. Today's been fun. Sadly, we couldn't get Hayden's exhaust done, but you know what? It's all good. We'll get it done later this week. I'll have another video on that. Say it, Jack. We need an outro.
Huh?
We need an outro.
I never got dirty with Zach before. Do I want to try?
It's Hayden's first time getting dirty, everyone. Realize.
Give him a round of applause.
He don't know what he's doing.
He
He's
got-
learning.
Oh gosh, watch. Let's
Watch,
see
he's
if,
gonna
let's see if
spill
you
the
put,
wool. He's gonna.
He's gonna spill, he's gonna put it. He's gonna put it with the transmission fluid.
right?
Oh no, damn.
I just poured on there, right?
Just pour it all over.
Hey, did you get the blinker fluid?
Hey, hey, you gotta rub it all over like some tanning oil. Hey there, baby. I'm gonna make you nice and slippery. Hey, okay, hey, remember lefty, loosey, righty, tighty.
And don't make it righty-loosey, because then you done fucked up.
That's some like,
That's when you go, you strip the
that's
fucking
some
bolt.
Nissan shit.
Hey now. That's some German shit, because they have that reverse threading shit.
Oh yeah, you do. We'll fill her up.
We'll have to edit a lot of this out.
Oh, you're gonna edit a lot of this? Oh my bad, I'm in the shot.
Well, no, I'm just saying, some of the things we say I'm going to have to edit out just because people are going to be like, what the fuck? Some of them I'm going to keep because they're just funny as shit, but like all this conversation right here is going to be fucking time-lapsed.
Hey, babe, did the dude tell you that it takes one of these? Or does it need more?
Oh damn.
Fucking
I don't know. I just got oil. You can tell me how much to get.
Google is a thing for a reason.
Yep. How many did you get? 1 gallon? I feel like it takes more than that.
I was not told to get more.
saying, for people that don't believe that I'm stock, it's got an exhaust and that's about it. And then camera arms, BC coilovers. Camera arms on both sides, BC coilovers. All stock. Well, custom exhaust. And for those that don't believe me, it's got fucking cats. It's not a catless car. Even though hopefully soon it will be. But yeah. That's about it. Other than that, wheels, suspension, it's stock. As fuck. Well, figured I'd give you a little walk through the Q50. The G will be next, but I don't have it here right now, so it'll be later on.
See ya, homies.
Also, like and subscribe, please. Should be more content coming soon, more interesting content. I think there's supposed to be a meet this weekend. Not sure, but I'll be there. We'll see what's going on. And have a good rest of y'all's week.